Okay, so today I have the Barnett Brotherhood crossbow. It's a pretty slick little thing. Sorry if the pink strap, I got it from somebody else, not how it came. Anyway, so it's a good overall little crossbow. I've never owned one, never looked into one, but like I said, I got a really good deal on it. And it was about $200 less than what they go for, so I picked it up. Some of the things I like is you've got your scope, which has the BDC lines in it, the ballistic drop basically inside of it. So when you're looking through the scope, you can set it up so it's 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 I think is what it goes to. You have your safety switch right here. It only works if you put a bolt in and then it'll work. It doesn't work before or after, so no matter how hard you push, it doesn't work. I don't really like that feature. I wish it worked no matter what. Then what you do if you want to shoot this thing, you take your cocker. There's a little groove right back here. I don't know if you can see it. Right here, there's a little teeny groove. You take and you put the rope in there, and then you bring your hook down, and then you bring it over to the other side, and then you hook it here as well. And what you do is on the very front of this bow, there's a little guard. You put that on the ground, and you step in it, and then you just pull these things back. It makes it a lot easier to do. I'll show you how to do that here in just a second. It's got a nice thumb grip, which I really like. It makes it so it's pretty comfortable to shoot, and it's got a little arm thing so you're not sticking your hands up here so that when the string comes forward it doesn't smack you. Overall, pretty comfortable. It's a little bit short for me. I don't have to take and I'm going to have to move this back just a little, or forward just a little bit that way so that it fits me. It's got a nice little rail up here so you can adjust it to your eyesight, which I really enjoy that, so it's not just kind of fixed in one spot. I don't think that'd be real good. But overall, it's a really good bow. I've shot it once or twice. The trigger is a little bit tough as it is, so when you pull on, you have to pull pretty hard in order to get it fire. Other than that, no really qualms about it. It shoots really good. I've shot it about 20 yards. I hit a little bit low. I shot it a couple times. I didn't sight it in. It does come with your turrets that you can adjust for windage and elevation, and you can use just your fingers for up and down and then left and right, so you don't have to have a coin or anything in order to do that. Let's see, that's about all. Like I said, I'll show you here in just a second how to... Okay, so this is how you're going to cock it. You're going to put it down like this, and like I said, you're going to find this groove. You're going to put it down into that groove. It makes it a lot easier to do. Sorry, I got mine upside down. Put it in your groove. You can hook it to one side. Put it in this groove. Put it to the other side. And then all you do is you take and you just pull up. It takes a little bit of strength. So if you have bad back, bad shoulders, you might want to get one of the crank ones. If you don't, then you should be fine. But just give it a little bit of pull. So you hear it click. And it slowly release in case you didn't get it all the way. And then there you go. Then you're good. So like I said, now your safety does work. You can push it forward and backward. So that's the only way that it does work, as far as I know. You have to be able to put a bolt in it, and it goes odd vane down. You have to have the tip of your arrow, or the knock. You don't want it like that. You want it like this. And it has to be down. And you put it down. And you push, you can hear a little click. And now your safety will work. Once you do that, then your safety works. So that's how you get it done. And then, in order to, so now it works. There you go. You can see it moving. Like I said, I don't really like that because you have to have an arrow in it. Very unsafe in my opinion. And then the only way to uncock this, I guess there's two ways. You can either shoot it, or what you do is you put a bolt in, puts it on safety, and then what you do is you take and you do this just like you normally would. Put it on both sides. Just like this. And then with this one, you take and you put just enough pressure, not enough to get it off, to get the string off the drop down, but just enough that it's not gonna go. Just give it a little bit of pressure, and then pull the trigger, and then there you go. It'll release just like that. So don't pull too hard, or else it won't work. And that's how you use your crossbow.